Hello and welcome to Grantham Caravans. My name's Brian, I'm part of the sales team here at Grantham. You can contact us on 01476 560 599. So I'm just about to take you on a walk around tour of a new used stock item that we have in a Coachman Festival 380 2015. A fantastically well-spec'd 2-berth caravan with end kitchen. So here is a good look at that particular model. So it's a festival as it's a dealer special for Glossops. So we're really proud to have this well-spec caravan in. Nice large front locker box that you see there, space for two 6kg gas bottles, light items like your step, your electric hookup cable, wheel brace, just being careful and cautious of your nose weight. Coming down the side of the caravan, you've got a wet locker box with two 40-volt socket located inside. On the side here, you've got an exterior barbecue point that you see there, and also an exterior vent that you see there. The caravan has a manual engage motor mover already fitted to it and some wonderful blacked alloys. You've got the Festival Glossops decal going all the way down the side, and you can see here how fantastic condition this caravan is in. So stepping inside, a very, very spacious 2-berth. Nice large front couches that you could sleep on. This is either a double or comfortably as single beds. And here's a look at the fabric scheme, which is extremely well looked after by the previous owners. You've got a generous sized front chest with short pull-out table and storage underneath. A PIR sensor for the alarm located down there with the two blown air heating vents. Two 40-volt sockets located at the top here with the radio on the right-hand side. Plenty of space and a wonderful finish in this wood cabinetry that you see, with a generous sized Hecky light towards the front of the caravan, giving a great feeling of space. An easy usable sideboard here with your first television point located on the side there, and a spacious undercounter fridge. Further storage located above, and also that is where your microwave is located. This really unique layout, as I mentioned earlier, with the end kitchen. You don't get this very often nowadays, and only in certain models. So a really fantastic, unique caravan with a great finish. The washroom in this particular model is a combination washroom. So you've got your Thetford toilet tucked away there. You've got your shower, which is a combination wet room with your sink tucked away in the corner. Further storage just located in the centre of the caravan with a further vent just below a generous sized wardrobe that you see here. Full set of carpets with the caravan that are tucked away. You've got your hanging rail located in that wardrobe as well. So we're really proud to have this in stock at the moment. If you've got any queries or questions about this particular model, please feel free to contact our friendly sales team, who have been more than happy to help you. We look forward to hearing from you and hope we can do business together. Thanks very much. Bye bye now.